What's up, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Denise back again. So today we are going to learn how to make the local juice, the Ugandan local juice called Omunanansi. Let's go the easy breezy way. The ingredients: we need a pineapple, ripe ones. We need ginger, not powdered. We need that one. We need tea leaves, the powdered tea leaves. We're going to first wash our pineapples because when we are cooking this, when we're making this local juice, we make it with the peels also. So we have to wash them thoroughly well so that they can be clean. Yeah, to remove all the dirt. Yes. What else? I think the dirt. Then we have our ginger. It was already washed. As you can see, it's very clean. So we are going to pound it in our wooden pound mortar. Okay, as you can see. So we are going to pound it till it turns into small pieces, because there it will be easier to be used when it is pounded. So this is the result from the pounding, as you can see. So we are going to put our pineapples in the saucepan that you're going to use, or anything that you're going to use to cook the local juice. Because when we're making the local juice, we cook it. When we're making the Omunanansi, we have to cook it. So as you can see, we sliced up our pineapples into small pieces so that I can squeeze them with my fingers. So you squeeze them with your fingers so that you can make them into small pieces. Yes. Why we have to squeeze them? Because I don't know, but there is some logic there. When you squeeze those pineapples, it is easier for the water to circulate into the squeezed pineapples so that the juice can come out very well. As in, when it gets cooked, there is some magic there. Yes, there is some magic there. At times, these pineapples have some small thorns. I will call them thorns because I don't know the name. So you should be careful when squeezing out that juice, because remember, we squeeze with the peels on. So you be careful so that you don't get, I will call it, pierced or pinched by the thorns, those small thorns around the peels of the pineapples. So do it slowly but sure. Yes. After squeezing the pineapples, we are going to add in our pounded ginger. Yes. We add in our pounded ginger and we try to mix it up with our fingers, as you can see. So we add in our tea leaves, our powdered tea leaves. Yes, we add in like 3 seconds because I was going to cook a huge amount of that local juice, and its color has to be, I'll call it brown, and you see the result. Yes. So I used 4 pineapples, ginger, much of it, and 3 seconds of tea leaves. So high time we cook our juice. Yes. So we put it on our charcoal stove or any of wood and cover it up for easier boiling at a higher step. So our Ugandanlocal, all our local juice is ready. As in, it is ready, it's boiled but not yet ready. Yes, it is ready in boiling, but it's not yet ready. This is the reason why I was saying it's not yet ready. We have to first filter, and the reason why we filter, to remove these pieces of the pineapples, to decrease on the tea leaves, yes, to filter the pounded ginger, the pieces of ginger, because it is sweet when you're not using the tongue to remove those pieces. So afterwards you're going to add in sugar, enough, because for me in this Umunanansi I added in like 1 kilogram of sugar because it was much. Yes, so after we stir up so that the sugar can dissolve. If it's not sweet enough, you can add in more sugar. You stir. After stirring, you taste cold, then you add in some little sugar. So we have to put in the sugar while the Umunanansi is still hot, because the sugar dissolves quickly, as in, I don't know, it saturates very well, if that's the right English. Yes. So afterwards, I'm going to pack our Umunanansi and put it in the fridge, and tomorrow or the next day our Umunanansi is ready, as you can see, cold, and it is put in a glass. Yes, and it's ready for drinking. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe, put a thumbs up, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you, whoever has subscribed. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you. Bye bye.